Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use database connection plugin inside of IntelliJ. So now I have this IntelliJ IDE open with a GitHub project and you don't see any database tools here. So to install database tool, you have to go to IntelliJ settings and click plugins and type for database. You'll see a lot of plugins. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. For example, this one is not free. I tried installing it, but it comes only with Ultimate. But if you want to use a free version, you can use the database navigator. So click install, and before you install, you can even see the screenshot. And so press the install, and the plugin will be installed. And you have to restart your IDE. Click restart. And once it's restarted, you can access the database plugin using the tools, and then you go here. You can actually click here the DB browser button here, and if you are using an older version of IntelliJ, you might see it on this side, the right hand side, but for me it shows on this side. But check your IDE, you will find it on one of the sites. So click here and you can add your database, Oracle, whichever database you use. So for this demo I'm going to show you a new connection. Just name it anything, just for this purpose to show you how to do this. You can test the connection here too. Once you apply everything, if it is valid, it will connect successfully. And driver source, you can use an external library or a bundle library. And then so click apply and click OK, and you can see the connection here. And you can even edit the connection, like say devdb. So you can see your devdb here, devdb connection here, test the connection. And once your connection is successful, you can right click on it and open a SQL console, and you will get a console here to type your queries. But the one problem people find is that when they install it for one repo, right now I have this to do MVC GitHub project, and the database is connected here. But when I switch to a different project, to another project, Spring Pet Clinic, which I'm going to show you here, is that you don't see the database connection in this project, but you saw the one configured and connected for this. So to do this, to make sure that this connection applies and visible in all projects, what you need to do is right click on this settings, and then there is something called make global. So if you go to another project, you have to add a new connection just like that. So each time you switch to a different project, you have to build this, because this is a free version and not a paid version. You don't have that facility to make it global, so it will appear in any open source project that you open. So to do that, you need to download a licensed version of the tool called Database Tools. You can go to the settings and search for database, and you get the database tools. So you can see here is the ultimate edition. And database tool is also a paid version. So if you have one of these tools, they have a option where you can make the connection here, as you can see here. global. So what you need to do is share data sources. So what you can do is, once you make a connection here, all you can do is go here and then say make global. So whatever connection you created here will appear on all your projects. So you can see here, click make global. So this is how you make the connection available across many projects at the project level, not only at the project level but at the global level. So that's what I'm trying to say here is you need to have a paid version to have all these nice global level, all those conveniences. But if you want a free tool, you can use the database navigator, and that should be sufficient. So you can check all the other plugins for your other database, like the MongoDB and SQL Android. So that's how it goes. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you in another video. Take care. Bye.